Hello everyone, in this video we will create an exercise on inheriting multiple contracts plus on inheriting contracts with constructors. As you can see, we have contract A and contract B empty inside the orange file, and we will try to inherit contract A and contract B from the contracts inside the Apple file, which means that we will inherit them from contract C and contract D. And to do that, first let's put some code inside here. And we will also put some constructors inside, because that's the second purpose of our exercise. So let's put a simple code here. As you can see, it's a string variable, and we are assigning a value to this string variable by using the constructor. And let's do the same thing here, but this time with uint variable. And again, we are using constructor to assign a value to this variable. And now let's go to the Apple file, and now we will inherit the contracts which we have just created here. So inside the Apple file, first we need the import statement, and we will so that we can have access to the file which contains the contracts that we want to inherit. And let's do it in the first way. The first way is actually easy. We just need to say contract C is A, comma B. It's as simple as that. But the thing is, we will do it with the static input, which means that we will open constructor argument area right here. Okay, and this parenthesis, it signifies constructor input area. Which constructor? Constructor of A and constructor of B. So let's pass a value to the constructor of A. It was a string, so we can say something, and let's pass a number here because it was a uint. Let's say 555 and 5. And this is the first way. It's called static input. And now let's do the second way, which is called dynamic input. So we will say contract D is A, comma B, but this time we will not initiate the constructors here, but we will initiate them in the constructor area of contract D. So let's create a constructor here. Let's keep it empty right now, and then let's open the constructor of contract A and also the constructor of contract B. And we of course need some curly braces, and we need to pass some values to A and B. So we will use the constructor area of contract D to do that. So we need to assign a string memory, let's say word, and also a uint, let's say num, and then we will pass this value word to the constructor of contract A, and we will pass uint to the constructor of contract B, and this will complete our exercise. And now let's go to deploy area. So let's deploy C, and also let's deploy D. But to deploy D, I need to pass the values for the constructor. So let's say x6666, and also as a number, let's say 1. Okay, now let's deploy it. Now we have contract C and contract D. So let's check what's inside contract C. It should be something and this number. Yeah, the number is correct, and it's something. Now let's check my number and my word, and as you remember, we have used x66 and 1, so it should be x66 and it should be 1. So that's how you can inherit multiple contracts with constructors. And see you next time. Bye bye.